SALTEX on day one at the Campey stand. How's the show going for you so far, Lee?
Yeah, it's been a good morning, to be fair. It's been quite busy. A lot of people coming through, so it's good to catch up with people.
What have you got new on your stand this year? What can people see?
So we've got this new pedestrian self-propelled battery-powered sarel roller. So the idea of it is it's for bowling greens, cricket clubs. A lot of the groundsmen are volunteers and they're retired, so we're just trying to make it light work for them, basically. Instead of pushing it around, it's going to be self-propelled. So yeah, quite excited about that. We've also got this Seed Shot. So with this, it's for bare areas or isolated areas. You stand on it, you create the hole, and then you pull the lever and seed goes into the hole. So you get that seed soil contact. Ideal for post-game and any scar areas, any just bare areas, and yeah. So
anything else going on at Campey that you want to tell us about?
We're just trying to keep up with everything, really. Obviously, been lots of exhibitions recently, so yeah, we just keep pushing, keep going.
So I'm still with Lee from Campey. We're the Community Sports Zone now. Lee, what can you tell us about Campey's involvement with the Sports Zone?
So at the moment, there's a lot of Football Foundation grants out there, and what they're doing is the Football Foundation is basically giving 75% funding. And that could be used to buy a tractor, a slitter, an aerator, a mower, for example. So here we're showing the mini rotor knife and the New Holland Boomer 40, which is an ideal setup for a grassroots football club to keep that surface open.